Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and before we get started with the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. And in this video, we're going to actually be explaining X4 and Forsage, okay? So we're going to dive into the computer. I am going to read the section that they have for X4, and I'm going to explain it into my own words. So with that being said, let's dive into the computer, guys. All right, guys, so I'm in the X4 portion of the back office page. If you guys have a Forsage account, you just click right here to information and you scroll down and you'll be able to see where it explains X4. So I'm going to read it to you guys and then I'll probably summarize it into my own words. So let me read it. So it says, in parallel, the Forsage X program also works for you. Here, an overflow system is organized from above and from below. We are building a team together. There may be at least all of you invited, at least not one invited by you or mixed. So it says this purple arrow, which is these first two right here, it says partners who take 2 places below you in the first line are 2 places in the second line of the hire. 100% payment goes to the wallet of your hire partner. So that basically means the person that referred you or the person that brought you in or whoever you came under or whatever the case may be, when these first two little circles or places, whatever you want to call them, are filled, those go to that person or that upline or that referral person, whoever you want to call that person. That's who those 2 little circles go to. All right, now these blue ones are what we're talking about now, 3, 4, and 5. It says you also receive income from the second line, 100% from 4 people. Of these 3 payments go instantly to your wallet. So basically 3, 5, 4. I don't even know why they have 4 over here, but yeah, 3, 4, and 5. Actually, you get 100% of that payment. It doesn't go to your upline or the person that referred you. These are all of yours right here, 100%. Okay, now we're talking about the 6th one. The last payout is the closing slot, and it also makes a reinvest, buying you the same slot again, and the payments of 100% is transferred to your hire partner. So basically what this is saying is once you get to the 6th slot, it's basically clearing all of this stuff so that way basically you can fill these slots again and it goes up to your hire partner. Now I know I mentioned reinvest in the X3 video, but since we're mentioning reinvest again, I'm just going to go over reinvest as well because it is still a part of X4. So it says reinvest. This is the reopening purchase of the slot at the current level. Reinvest opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from it. Without reinvestment, the slot would close, and that's it. Reinvest takes place automatically as soon as you occupy the last free place. The current slot closes and goes to the archive. You reoccupy the free space in the slot with your hire partner, and a new slot with free places opens for you, and 100% payment goes to the wallet of your hire partner. Similarly, your referral partners will have reinvestments and you will instantly receive income. So this is basically saying that your reinvest slot, which is your last slot, that does go up to the person that actually referred you to this. But the great part about this is that when you start referring people to this, you start getting people under you, everyone's going to have to reinvest. I mean, if everyone wants to make money, they're going to have to fill up those spaces. And when they reinvest, if those people are under you, 100% of that comes to you. If you don't have people that you referred as of yet, but you do have obviously someone that referred you, then that will go to them. But it's only one slot, you know what I mean? I mean, it is what it is. So that's basically what reinvest is, and basically what X4 is. So X4 is when everyone is talking about overflow or underflow or whatever the case may be when it comes to that. So this is basically the slots that you really don't have to refer anybody for, work for, or anything like that. These slots right here can come from your upline or from anyone really that you have the slot open and they don't. So that's basically what X4 is. Excuse me for that beeping noise. That's my fire alarm. Sorry. But yeah, so basically X4 is where you would basically get like that overflow or underflow. And yeah, you really just have to have the slots open to receive this. You can get it from your upline, like I said, or anyone that doesn't have that slot available and you do, you win. You know, that's why the whole thing about Forsage is you want to have as many slots open as possible, especially in X4. So that way, if someone doesn't have that slot available, then you have a higher chance of actually getting that 100%, 100%, you know, commission or whatever. It's not even a commission because this is not even like an opportunity or a business, but you have 100% of that income coming to you because you actually had that slot available in X4. So that's basically it for X4. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. All of the information is right here for you guys. So you guys should know that the first and second circle in that line goes to your upline. That last circle goes to your upline as well. And then these three are 100% yours. And once you guys get to this reinvest slot, everything opens back up and you could do it all over again. So I'm getting out of the computer and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so we actually covered X4, so now you guys should have a better understanding of what X4 is. I already did a X3 video, so you guys should pretty much know X3, X4, what it's about, you know, what it's used for and everything like that. And if you guys are interested in joining Forsage, hit the link in the description, ginger.forevereth.com. And if you guys want more information about Forsage, you can go to that same link as well. And with that being said, guys, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.